The Clayton is our 5-piece painted MDF shaker door. On this display we've paired two colours together for a subtle colour contrast. The base units and the island are in Dakar, whilst the wall units and dresser units are in Mussel. So in this kitchen we're using lots of neutral and warm tones. We've got browns and creams in the natural granite worktops, we've got oak on the breakfast bar. We've also got gold handles and exposed carcasses in our natural Lancaster oak finish. Some unique features of this kitchen design is our two-tiered island. This has been created using standard base units on the lower part and our 900 high base units to create the raised breakfast bar section. Around the hob we've used 900 high wall units sat directly on the worktop and brought forwards to create that mantle effect. The white inset ceramic sink and brass mixer tap with ceramic levers give this kitchen a traditional feel. You'll notice that we've included lots of curved units in this kitchen, and that just helps to soften the flow as you move through this display. This kitchen is all about functional storage, packed with drawers and mechanisms to make the most of the space.